Ish. Ish. Ajimba. Ajimba. Ish, you ready to work? You ready to work, Ish? Ish, you ready to work? Ish. Look at her. She ready. She ready, boy. You ready, again? You're ready. Okay, Isha, listen, baby girl. Listen here, girl. I'm gonna put this like this. With a finger. So, where you at? Right there? Wait, Isha. Hold up, Isha. I'll be right with you. I need to know what I'm seeing. You too close. Come on now. That's perfect. Let me see something. Isha. I don't see you. See? It's too close. Oh, take this off. There you go. You want to pause? I thought I paused. I don't know how this is recorded, but we shall see. Put the glove on. Wow, I feel like it. What's up, girl? What's up? I don't know where to get it, but I'm trying to get it. I ain't do this in a long time, you know. Whoa. What's with this dog? Hello, everybody. Look right there. You ain't got a good grip. You got a grip. Work with it. Work with it. Now let me see. God, you didn't do this in a long time, did you? Yeah, I know. Out? No. Let me see if I can get it. Let's see if I can get it. Don't be afraid to take from your dogs. No. There you go. Good. No. There you go. No. 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 Come. I don't want to put the choke chain on you. That's right. No. Control your dog. No. Good. I gotta get a stronger hold. No. No. Oops. See, she's a better kid. How you gonna get them off? No. 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 Sit. She can watch. Get it. Get it. Turn them on. Turn them on. You turn them on. You turn them on. Get it. Get it. Get it. Are you a high dog? I'm gonna get a nice big grip. stick my fingers in there. You know what you want. I gotta do better with her off. I'm gonna choke her out. Look at it. Let's see, I know I'm always the fool. Watch this. Let her get it. Soon as she. Oh, got it! That's how you do it. Bite! Oh, you gotta get me on there. Get me on there. There you go. Let me see something. I'm gonna leave her. Isha! I'm gonna leave her. Isha! Who's more important? There you go. Isha! I'm gonna see who's more important. You want that? Or you want to be with me? Come. Isha, come. Isha! Yeah, no. 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 Come. No. Come. No. Gotta reinforce it, people. No. Gotta reinforce it. I seen somebody on a video, the German Shepherd got loose, chasing the man around. He ran the man's house, and the owner never grabbed his dog. No. 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 She wants to sit. No. All right. Okay. Now it's time for you to be a dog. Let me put the toy up. Put the toy up. No. 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 Good girl. No. 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 What's up?
Hey, how you doing? Good morning.
Sit. Good. No. 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 Good. No. No. See, I can just work with this all the time. I'm rarely doing it. Woo. Yeah. Good job. That's it. That's it. That's it. That is it. Sit. Sit. I told her to sit, didn't I? She gotta sit. Sit. No sit. You gotta sit. You gotta listen.